Okay, I have no idea what just happened, but all I know is I pushed a video public that was supposed to be for everybody, and people hated it. I was like, what was so wrong about what I said? Like, I'm just like trying to save you guys money, and everyone's like, sell out, I hate this guy. And then I started reading the comments, and I started to like realize that that video was somehow spammed out to you guys, but being marked as members only, which is absolutely hilarious. But not the intent. And also, if that was intentional, that would be disgusting, guys. So first of all, everyone's like calling me a hypocrite and stuff. And like, on the one hand, I totally get it, but on the other hand, all the people that are like unsubbed, you would unsub over that one thing? Like, come on. Like, I'm so sick and tired of people being like willing to just forego the last 7 years of things for like one little mishap. Like, and this was obviously a mistake in all that, but still, come on, guys. So anyway, my opinion has not changed on the matter. There will be no members only content. In terms of like video content and stuff like that. That's silly. If there's a tutorial, I want to cover it and I want to share it with everybody. And if you want to support me in that endeavor, awesome. The way that works is when I upload a video, the monetization status is not really established for a video until 24 to 48 hours have gone by. During that time frame, your video can be demonetized, and all the money you made in that first 24 to 48 hours, which is usually where you're going to make the most money, is lost. So what YouTube recommends is you upload that video to be unlisted. But of course, when you do that, nobody gets the video. So with members, what I do is I let members watch that, because it's like, well, there's not a bunch of them, and then also they're paying, so it's like, hey, this is a cool perk I can give, because otherwise the video's just sitting there like it's doing nothing. It's just a thing I can do. So that's what I do, and everybody knows about that. But then after I publish the video publicly, and I've been doing this for like the last, I don't know, probably 100 videos or something, and it's been fine. But then this morning, for whatever reason, I posted it publicly. It was still being classified as for members only. That was not the intent. And can you imagine if that was possible, how many people would abuse that, like spamming videos out, and then people click it and it's like, it's for members only. Like, that would be lame as hell. Like, that is not even an option. You can't do that even if you wanted to, because some dirty people would really want to do that. Okay, but that's not me. That was not intentional. That was a bug. That's not, it's just not an option. It can't happen. So anyways, turns out you guys don't actually hate cloud versus local GPU discussion. You hate the members only. But yeah, that was hilarious. I'm looking at it, I'm like, what the heck is going on? Okay, anyway, I'm going to try to republish that video. Yeah, all right, that's all. Bye-bye.